Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
Your Honor, I really don't have no money at all. I'm barely getting hours at work. I'm working anywhere from 4 hours to 6 hours a day at work. I'm scraping up on what I can get, barely to get by on food as well. I don't have no one. I got to feed myself and get back to work.
I got it. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ghostin. Mr. Ghostin,
I'm good. Can I leave?
You can leave. Mr. Ghostin, I'll give you opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to waive his right to trial and enter a plea. He will be entering a plea as follows, Your Honor. 1 count of failing to display a valid license. 1 count of unregistered vehicle amended to improper plate. He will admit responsibility to expired plates and admit responsibility to limited access 1 to 5 over, which is amending the disregarding traffic control device.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice and rights and breakout rule, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No. I do want to see that if I can get on the payment plan or some type of community service to get a result.
All right. You understand by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up, though, right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 15th, 2025, around 5:55 a.m. in the city of Detroit and area of Courtroom, Illinois. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and insurance.
Yes.
Was that your vehicle, the 2012 Chevrolet?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
Pardon me, I didn't hear you.
You couldn't produce that that driver's license, registration, or insurance, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I never had a chance to have it in my life.
Find your client guilty of improper plate for not having insurance. Find your client guilty of failure to display for not having a valid driver's license. And find your client responsible for the expired plates as charged. Stipulate to the face of the ticket factual basis for that responsible plea for the limited access.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
All right. We'll dismiss the matters that were agreed to. I'll fine you $240 for the failure to display and another $125. I'll cut you a break on the other 2. I'll give you 30 days to figure it out. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll pay the reinstatement fee. I will give you until December. I'm not even saying review. I'll give you December 8th to pay it. And I will mark the file allow payment plan. If you come up with the first $288 times 2, I would pay those no insurance proofs first. Those would get you clearances here at the secretary and potentially get yourself set up to get a license, $288. But if you enter into a payment plan with those, then it's going to go according to the payment plan. So I would pay those first.
That's what I'm asking.
What I'm explaining to you. Here it is. The stuff that you have sentenced today, the 240 mainly, I'm allow a payment plan for that. But you owe $288 times 2. You owe a lot of other money, but you owe $288 times 2 on 2 no insurance proofs. Thus, that's what's restricting you from getting a valid driver's license. So you take your first $76, and you should pay that 288, those 288s first, and then get into a payment plan with the rest.
All right, I'm gonna go down there and pay one of them tomorrow.
So you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license, but they're gonna, if you pay one 288, you're still gonna have to pay the other 288 before you get clearances. Those are the 2 things that are affecting your driver's license, all right?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. And the officers for Ghosted are free to leave and be safe.
Is there any way that I can come down there and get a printout of what you just said? Because you just said a lot.
Absolutely. If you're coming tomorrow, come in the morning.
36th District?
First thing in the morning.
All right, thank you.
Well, at least until we leave, if you want to explain it. You want to explain it to him, Ms. Harris?
Yeah, she can explain it to me because I literally you just jotted down.
Go back in that breakout room, please.
Thank you.
All right, let's pass Ms. Lindsay's matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ghoston. Is that who we're on, Ms. Harris?
Yes, sir.
All right, is that Ghoston?
We're on Ghosting because you asked me to explain everything that was said.
Okay. And now, are you good with that, Mr. Ghoston?
Your Honor, based on our discussions, I'm just asking if the court would wrap up everything that he owes in community service. He is in a situation right now where I don't think financially it's in his best interest. I think community service would better serve him.
Your Honor, I really don't have no money at all. I'm barely getting hours at work. I'm working anywhere from 4 hours to 6 hours a day at work. I'm scraping up on what I can get, barely to get by on food as well. I don't have no one. I got to feed myself and get back to work.
I got it. All right, Miss Lindsay, go to 3. Speak with Miss Lindsay. There was a breakdown in communication with Mr. Barrett. Go to 3, Miss Lindsay, when she's on. Today is the date and time set for her trial. Ms. Harris, speak to Miss Lindsay. Oh, and then we have Layton. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ghoston. Mr. Ghoston.
Yes, sir.
Community service, right?
Yes.
Give me 60 hours of community service.
No problem.
Clear up it, we'll clear everything. I need a good phone number from you. All right, 60 hours of community service. I'm referring this to community service. I'm going to give you the number to community service. That way you can call them if you don't hear from them. The number is gonna have you back on December the 8th, 2025 for a review. And if you don't hear from community service in the next few days, then make sure you reach out to them or a court so we can get it straight squared away.
And you said December 8th at what time?
At 8:25.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Thank you, lawyer.
She's gone. All right, take it easy.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.